FMRRC, and also they got the Malawi rice license here, so I definitely see they got regulation status below here. Also some registration numbers of this broker, so it's a real business and you can contact them here on these addresses. So let's continue with the deposit here. You see, for me personally, there are multiple deposits. I can use cards, I can use e-payments, I can use cryptocurrencies. And if you go here, for example, on cards, you see the minimum deposit is around $50. For some other methods like US dollar Theta, for example, or some e-wallets, you can just use $5, but I think $50 for the minimum deposit is also very low. Then the next important thing here, if you deposit here, is the possibility to get a free bonus. That means if you deposit $100 and you have a bonus type of 50%, you get $150 out of it, and $50 of it is a bonus. But the bonus isn't for free. Let's say that it isn't exactly for free because you have to meet conditions to pay out the bonus. You can cancel the bonus every time. We also made a nice web page about the pocket option bonus conditions. I will link you this in the description below. Here you see, if you deposit $100, you got a bonus of 50%, you get an overall account balance of $150. But you have to do a bonus turnover conditions of 50x50. That means you have to do a turnover amount of 2,500. So every time you make a trade, you make a volume. If, example, you make a $10 trade, you have the turnover volume of $10. That means this. And then after you met these conditions, you can pay out the bonus because, Pocket Option says we give you a free bonus if you trade more. If you make a higher turnover, you get a free bonus. Let's say it's this business model, and they earn more money if you make more turnovers. That's why they give you a bonus. So this was the deposit menu. The next important things are here: withdrawal, history, cashbacks, and promo codes. Withdrawal. Here you can withdraw your money to your payment methods of your choice. Sometimes it's not possible to use different payment methods like the deposit for the withdrawal, like for the deposit. So you should definitely check it out and write the support and keep it safe. For example, you deposit with Bitcoin, you mostly have to pay out every time in Bitcoin on this broker. Here you see some other options like the cashback menu and the promo codes menu, also the MySafe menu. Here you see this is, for example, a promo code 50 start. I will also type in your promo codes in the link in the description below. Then you can use a free bonus, and if I would use this bonus code, I could gain 50% of a deposit. There are more bonus codes to get. I will show you that later because I want to continue with the trading platform, and I think it's very important for you now to know how to trade with this platform. So we are here on the interface. What's important is here you can choose the asset you want to trade. You can choose here some options for the charting. For example, you can use different chart types. On the right side here is the trading panel, so you choose your expiry time. I will explain this in detail in some seconds. Then you choose the trading amount, and here is your possible payout. Also here on the right side there are some other options like social trading, tournaments, pending trades, signals, and your trading history. These I will show you after our live trading. So let's get started with live trading, and I will show you definitely how to make profits and some money on Pocket Option. So here we go to the chart. I don't prefer to trade the New Zealand US dollar OTC. If you want to trade OTC, it's more difficult in my opinion. You definitely should always check here. This is a pro tip. check here for the real assets, because the OTC, it's over the counter. You can trade it on the weekend, but basically these are over the counter assets which are where the market is made by the banks, and you should definitely trade the official market load. So let's check it out. We can earn here, for example, on the Australian dollar, US dollar, we can earn here 91%. It's a very nice rate. And here we see we can also change the time frame, because I want to do some quick trades. Let's change it to the 1 minute chart. I prefer to trade 1 minute. And here now we have the candlestick chart with a 1 minute time frame. So we see here the candles, and what I'm doing here now, I will trade a lower trade. I will trade a short trade, but let me check it out when the candlestick is finished. Let me go in here with $200. I'm in here, open the trade. I will explain you why I'm going in here in a few seconds, because now I need to concentrate on this trade here. We opened a short trade, and we see now the market runs against me. So basically what we are doing here is we make a forecast of the price movement, and then we are saying, okay, the price will go down in the next minute, and if we are right, we win $182 of profit. So the first trade of mine wasn't that good. Okay, I'm going with the trend, and I'm just wanted to trade the small pullbacks. I thought it will go down further, but I think it will continue. So let's change to another chart. The first trade was wrong, but this is no problem, because we have so much opportunities to gain more money and to make another trade. So let's keep watching the euro dollar. This is my most favorite currency pair to trade, because there you have the highest liquidity and the highest volume. So let me explain. At the moment there are no opportunities to trade. You can also use multi-charting. So let me explain you some features here. So basically this is a chart. Here you can switch the time frames. That means I can also do longer trades, like one day trades on one day candles. This is no problem. But I think for the most guys out here, they want to trade the short-term trades, and you can configure your chart here. Also indicators are possible. I will add, for example, the RSI. From my experience, I don't need indicators. I don't trade with indicators, but if you need them for confirmation, you can use them. So if I keep this indicator here, then we have the chance of doing some drawing tools, for example, horizontal lines, very important for strategies. And that's basically the most important features here. Also, you can do multi-charting. You can watch 2 charts at one time, perfect for hedging. I personally don't do this. And here on the right side, I explained to you, we can use here like 5-second trades. We can use 1 hour trades. We can configure our expiry time here and switch to the different time frames. I can say I want to have a trade till end of the day. I can say I want to have a trade with a duration of 1 hour. And then I take the amount. The minimum amount here is $1. You can trade with $1. And with my account balance, I'm using more than $1. Using $200 suited to my money management. And now the next trade will be a little bit higher. We want to get our losses back, so I will double our money in the next trade. So basically that's it, how you trade. You can watch this again, very simple technique, but you have to do the right forecast. I lost the first trade because I was very fast, and yeah, it's quite difficult to make trading videos, talk always and do your perfect trading strategy. So let's hopefully we get the next trade. So this is looking good. We have a resistance here on the right side. We can try this one. 2 trades in here, doubled the money, and we see here our entry point. Here the red line, and I saw thinking the price is going down because we are in the downtrend and the price is hitting a resistance. Here you see this can be a support is going to resistance, and it looks like we are here. The candle before showed me there's some rejection, it's red, and we have a wick. So perfect entry point. It can be better, the entry point can be better, but for this chance I want to trade it. So 70 seconds left. Now we see the market runs again versus me, and I'm thinking I'm losing again this trade. So I'm not lucky. I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky. You see, I'm very lucky with this trade. I won it because the market went down in the last seconds, and I won this trade. You see it. Let me check the closer trades here. We see it. We won this trade. So very lucky. But let me check if we got a better chance, because all the trades I showed you in this video, they are not perfect. They are not perfect. But in the end we made money. Let me check out the Australian dollar. US dollar seems like there's a reversal, but at the moment it's not so good to trade it. Here we can go in. Here we can go in with a trade. On the pound US dollar I saw that directly. What we can also do here is roll over, so we can expand our expiry time. You see it, if I go here we can expand it, or we can double up. That means we can double up our investment amount, but I won't do this in this time because this is a very nice trading setup. This is a very nice trading setup. 20 seconds left, 25 seconds left, and I will explain to you what I'm trading here. This is a downtrend, you see it. The market keeps pushing lower, pushing lower. Now the pullback comes into the trend in the trend, and here we see on the top it makes a fake breakout and gets rejected. So we can trade down here. Very simple. We won this trade. You see the market is dropping like a rock. And yeah, this is a very simple trading setup with price action. If you want to see more strategies, let me know. Hit the like button and write in the comments below. So that is how you trade with pocket option, the trading tutorial, and I will show you now some more additional features. Let's go here. For example, here you see it's possible to use trading signals. Personally, I don't have experience with these trading signals. I can't say to you, are they good, are they bad? You should test them in the demo account by yourself, because if you're using the signals, it's always the chance that you get a bad signal. That's it. And yeah, it's on your own risk to use the signals. Also with social trading, this is, I think, the better opportunity than the signals. Here you see real traders and you can copy them. You can click here, for example on this guy Vadim K, and you see his performance, and you can copy him and copy his trades. So if he is a profitable trader, the chance is high that you also make money if you copy this guy. Okay? But there's also the risk that they're losing in the future because you only see their past results. The risk is there, but a better opportunity from my experience than the signals here on pocket option. Then you see the express trades. Here you can just trade from this panel to make a quick trade. very quick trading here. You can do this like this. I never tried this feature. I don't need it. I personally recommend you use the standardization trading method here and trading opportunities, and then continue. Then you see tournaments. This means you can make a contest versus other traders. If you win the most money in this contest, you get a nice prize fund for free. You can start here for free. You see, if you want to pay money, you can pay money here like this, $1 participation fee. There are different types of tournaments, and there are tournaments where you have to pay like $100, but the prize fund is much higher. So you can check this definitely out, and it's an additional chance to make money. And for all the people who want to earn some money, who want to deposit money, they can use the day off here, this contest for example, with no participation fees, and you have the chance of winning $250. Then you see pending trades. You can say, okay, if the market hits the 1.250, you can say, I want to sell, I want to buy. This is a pending order, it's in the market, and it's only executed when the market hits your target, hits your price, and then you start the trade. Also a nice feature which doesn't offer all brokers in this range. Okay, this is how you trade. So let me get to the last point I want to show you, and this is the bonus types and the market. So here you can go to the market, and here are some rewards. You get the rewards here if you trade. If you make higher trading volume, you get these rewards, and then you can buy with these gems. You can buy different bonus things here in the market. You see it? For example, for red, 0 blue, 3 green, I can get the bonus up to 20%. And then you will get a promo code, and you can deposit, and you can add this to your account. Then I will show you another chance how to get gems. You can go to gems mining. You can activate it. You can purchase a mining license, and you get more gems if you trade on the weekend or you trade the OTC charts. And that's how it works, or you're doing social trading. You see it? Copy professional traders and receive extra profits and gems. That's how you can earn more gems. There are different options how to earn the gems. And yeah, you can check out the market. There are lots of options. I cannot show you all options in this video because I would make a video about 3 hours. Then here's the gems lottery. That means you can win the gems. You can apply for it. Here you see place your trades on Saturday and Sunday, what I talked before, and you receive gems. Then you can go to your purchases, and you see which bonus types here you got and purchased it, and you use the promo code. Yeah, different bonus types are possible. Promo codes, bonus to balance, you get just a bonus. To your balance, you get risk-free trades. You can get cashbacks if you lose a trade. You can booster your account balance and for your level up, because here you see you got different levels. You can level up your account balance and get more bonuses and better conditions. So I'm level 3 here. If I trade more, I get more experience and can booster my account. So lastly, here are some bots which can be purchased on the platform official of Pocket Option. I never tested them because I want to trade by myself, but this is also an opportunity to make automated trading here on the platform. So this was my full video on how to use Pocket Option. Hopefully you got some information and you know how